wash day, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a styling routine to try and get the maximum amount of volume in your hair. This technique is called brush up and shake, and I believe I learned it from Bounce Curl actually, and I don't think I've done it on my channel before. I definitely haven't done a dedicated video, but I may have slipped it in a random video somewhere. So in today's video we're going to be focusing on that. So I'm going to go and wash my hair and then I'll be back to show you the styling process. So I have just come straight from my bathroom. My hair is washed, conditioned, and I added some leave-in into my hair, and now we're going to start the styling process. Oh my god, my hair is very knotty. So I'm taking the bottom section of my hair and clipping the rest out the way. Then I'm gonna take a small section here. I have to detangle it a little bit first. What we're gonna do is brush as high as we can go, and then when the brush is kind of at the end, we're just gonna shake. So brush up, went a bit too far, and shake. The shaking technique, honestly, with this brush, I don't think it's really necessary. With a regular brush though, it does help your curls separate into clumps. So brushing up and shaking. So I'm taking my neck section. And my sections are not perfect. The less perfect they are, that's also gonna kind of help with volume. So brush up and shake quite violently. Lately, when I go to work, I get the most compliments when I wear my hair wavy, which has been nice. I have seen like a trend on TikTok where they're telling everyone to go back to their natural hair color because it's the color that suits them the best. And I guess it's the same for your natural curl pattern too. So the top section I usually brush up anyway, so this part is not different to normal really, except for the fact that I'm shaking my hair. I'll kneel down so that you can see a bit better. So I'm brushing up and then shaking kind of at the end, and I continue pulling the brush. So I don't know, maybe it looks a tiny bit more voluminous than normal already. I want to use this gel because I've only used it once so far, I think, and I really liked it in the video when I used it. Plus, I dropped it on the floor, so it's broken. So I really think that I should try and use it up. I've only used it once, but already I used quite a lot that day. Perhaps I don't need to go so crazy today, she says while grabbing a big amount. And the rest of my routine is pretty much the same. I'm scrunching in the gel in all directions. It's looking gorgeous already. I'm gonna add a little bit more to scrunch upside down now. And now I'm scrunching with the towel to remove excess water and gel from my hair. So this is how it's looking so far. I will insert a clip to how it looks normally to see if there is a difference between how much volume I have right now when it's wet. I'm gonna put my hair up in this towel for a little while, and then I'll go and diffuse, and then I'll be back to show you the finished results. So I am back from diffusing my hair, and it's in a kind of light cast. It's already looking bouncy and maybe a little bit voluminous already. Honestly, the roots not so much yet, but sometimes in a cast it does play tricks on me and it changes once I scrunch it out. So I'm taking the Treluxe serum to scrunch this out. Ooh! Okay, and these are the finished results. I definitely have more volume than usual, especially in this area down here. I will insert a little clip of how my hair looked in the video when I tried the Eco Styler pink gel for the first time, just to compare. Today's result, definitely very natural looking, very voluminous. I've got nice definition, and oh no, my hair doesn't look so flat compared to usual. usual. I would like more volume at the roots, but my roots can get very soft and my hair is very fine, so it is hard for me to get volume up here. I perhaps should have tried to scrunch a little bit more gel into the root section, but I don't love putting too much product on my scalp, especially because lately I've been dealing with an itchy scalp. Very happy with my hair today. It's been a while since I've done this styling technique, so I was wondering if it's even gonna make much of a difference to usual. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. There are definitely some other ways to achieve volume, so let me know if you would like a video sharing all of my tips for volume, and I will get to work for you. By the way, my new ring light has arrived. Let me turn it off and I'll show you how big it is. This is the ring light. Here is my hand for reference. Here is my head for reference. Anyway, hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!